Yeah. Moskwa. This is what 3 a.m. looks like in Moscow in summer. And the birds, the birds. So here we are in Moscow. Hi from back home, from my other jungle. I'm here to just visit my family and hang out with them, but today is Monday, everyone's at work, so I need to find something to do for myself while they're out. And if you followed me on Instagram lately, you know that I'm really into fridge cleanouts. I think I have just the right challenge here. So here's our fridge, and there is a lot of stuff going on. We have lots of jars and soups and meats and fish and whatnot. Some of my favorite things: waffles with cooked condensed milk. Love that. Little dairy vitamin bottles. Beef tongue in there. Mushrooms that we picked last fall and pickled, salted, whatever. A little pickled fish that Mom and I usually eat together. So this is before. Let's see what we can do about this. Let's begin by just taking everything out. And now it's time to wipe everything out and clean the shelves and restock the things back in. Actually, some of the fridges have removable shelves like this one. So that's perfect. I can just take the whole thing and go wash it. Back home, the shelves are attached to the fridge, so I have to open the door and just wipe stuff out, but this is perfect. See you later. There you go. It's clean. Next one. And do you want to use paper towels to wipe the glass surfaces of the shelves? That works best. Ta-da! We are done for now. We have all the pickled mushrooms and condiments up here, jams, dairy over here, cottage cheese, kefir, my favorite drinking yogurts, cheese, caviar. I'm not sure what to do with this shelf yet. Probably the soup borscht that I'm gonna make later will go here. Chicken, salmon, sala, which is like pig's fat and salt, and various salads and veggies over here. This is after. And the door is also done with eggs, grains, seeds, and medicine cabinets. And now part 2 of the day. It's super rainy and we ventured out to the mall to eat at our favorite traditional place, Kroshka Kartoshka. Kroshka Kartoshka. It's a baked potato with various fillings. Mamy sałatek i my lubimy the plus. So what we got here? Baked potato with cheese, stuffed with crab salad, mushrooms and pickles, and salmon and cheese, I guess. Yeah, family tradition. And now we're gonna go shop for some stuff. Zephyr. It's like marshmallowy cookies. Prяники, gingerbread cookies. What cheesecakey thing with condensed milk wrapped in chocolate. Waffles with condensed milk. Spicy shredded carrot. Sauerkraut. Sufaliki. Dried pieces of bread with flavor of bacon. Snacky snacks. Favorite candy with creme brulee flavor. Oh, help. Все, я не могу уже. Restocked. 330.
Ах, если бы это были те весы. Фрукты, овощи. А, не, вот, тут есть. Чего ж мне доверяешь? Есть синий-то. Чуть выше. Ага. Ну, как раз.
Опа! We're done grocery shopping. Gonna go for dessert now to another little Russian cafe. That's a tradition now. Teремок. Actually, we went to one in New York with Ben recently. So now I'm gonna taste the Russian version. Клюква или вишня?
Я взял клюкву.
Клюква, пожалуйста. 3 сырника с клюквой.
Сейчас, пожалуйста, блин, ватрушку.
We have pizza borscht, blini, which is like a crepe with cottage cheese. My favorite little cottage cheese cheesecakes with cranberry and some kind of honey traditional Russian drink with berries. Never had this one before. We've had so much food and now we're gonna walk all the way home so you can see right there and hopefully shake it off before our next dinner home. Thank you!